This video will give you an honest opinion about the BEASTCOM Q5 Pro gaming PC, including its pros and cons. I have provided the link to this gaming PC in the description below if you want to know how much it costs. The BEASTCOM Q5 Pro is powered by the Intel i5-13400F processor, which offers 16 threads and a turbo speed of up to 4.6 GHz. This means it handles multitasking, gaming, and streaming quite well without much lag. The NVIDIA RTX 5060 graphics card with 8GB of VRAM supports ray tracing in 4K HDR, which is great for realistic graphics and smooth gameplay. With 32GB of RAM, you get plenty of memory for running heavy applications and games simultaneously. The 1TB NVMe SSD makes loading times and file transfers fast, so you won't have to wait long when booting up games or software. Windows 11 Pro comes pre-installed, giving you a clean and modern operating system experience right out of the box. The design is a head-turner with its tempered glass side panel and 3 RGB fans that add a cool aesthetic while keeping the system cool during intense gaming sessions. On the downside, the Q5 Pro does not feature Wi-Fi 6, instead using Wi-Fi 5, which might be a little slower if you have a compatible router and want the latest wireless speeds. Also, while the RTX 5060 Ti is powerful, it's not the absolute top-tier card available, so ultra settings and the newest AAA titles might need some tweaking. The computer tower design is sleek but might require extra desk space compared to smaller builds. Overall, the BEASTCOM Q5 Pro gaming PC strikes a great balance between power, style, and affordability. It's well suited for gamers who want strong performance for both gaming and content creation without breaking the bank. If you need a reliable and attractive gaming PC that can handle most modern games at high settings and offers smooth multitasking, this is a solid choice. Just keep in mind the Wi-Fi 5 limitation and that you might have to lower graphics settings on some demanding games if you want ultra performance.